acknowledge that there are certain privileges that men have that women don't. For example, for a lot of companies, ang mga nasa tuktok ay babae or lalaki? Lalaki, correct? And studies show if a man does not inform or does not study his own biases, may chance na ipopromote niya babae or lalaki? Lalaki, correct? Because doon siya nakaka-relate. Diba? To all our men in the room, you also have to try to educate yourself dun sa mga circumstances na pinagdadaanan ng mga ibang babae. Another thing, for example, yung mga lalaki, pag naglalakad sila sa gabi, hindi sila natatakot na makidnap sila or, the threat of rape, wala silang ganon. Pero sa mga babae, present yun, lagi natin yung iniisip. So, yun na-realize ko, sabi ng friend ko na guy, na-realize lang daw ngayon nung nagkaanak siya na babae na kung bakit hindi pala we have to create safer streets, diba? So, I think the way that men can really support women in empowerment is yun nga, be more aware that there are certain circumstances na babae yung dumadaan doon. And again, kung nasa position ka ng power, or kaklase mo, diba? You have to also make an effort to educate yourself.